Let's listen to the audiobook, Moby Dick by Herman Melville. Level A1, Oxford Reading University.
Ishmael is the narrator. He likes the ocean. Ishmael goes to New Bedford, a town in New England. He needs to find a place to sleep, but a lot of the places are expensive. He goes to the Spouter Inn. Inside, there is a sinking ship and a huge whale. The manager tells him that there's no room, but that he can share a room with Queequeg. He is a harpooner, a man who actually hunts and catches whales. The manager tells Ishmael that the harpooner is trying to sell a human head he got on his last trip. Ishmael does not want to sleep with the harpooner, but he has no choice. In his sleep, Queequeg has his arm around Ishmael, and Ishmael can't move. At breakfast, Queequeg is not shy and uses his big harpoon to take a steak from the middle of the table. Queequeg is not as strange-looking as Ishmael first thought. One day, Ishmael watches Queequeg cut some piece of wood and thinks that the guy is scary, but he is just a strong person. Ishmael decides to become Queequeg's friend. They talk and smoke together. Queequeg says he is from an island in the South Pacific and that his dad was the king there. He is not ready to go back and be king of the island. They agree to go to sea together. Ishmael and Queequeg go from New Bedford to Nantucket. Ishmael chooses the ship they will go on. There are 3 ships that are all getting ready to leave for 3 years. Ishmael chooses the Pequod. When Ishmael asks to meet the captain of the ship, Ahab, he is told that Ahab does not want to see anyone. A huge white whale had destroyed Ahab's ship and took his leg as well. This whale is called Moby Dick. It is a great, white, angry whale, and no one can catch it. After breakfast, they go to the Pequod. Starbuck, one of the boat guys, says the ship is ready to go. It's Christmas Day and the weather is bad. Ishmael describes all of the different types of whales. There are big whales, medium-sized whales, and small whales. On the ship, Ishmael discovers a life he never imagined. The work is hard and dangerous, and the men are different. They are from all over the world. Later, the team discovers Ahab's real mission. Although they are a normal whaling ship, they also have a special task: to find and kill Moby Dick. Ahab says there is a prize of Spanish gold for the guy who sees a great white whale. Everyone drinks to celebrate. Ishmael learns more about Moby. The whale gets angry when boats follow him. No surprise there. He has a big, white head, and he attacks people. Every night, Ahab looks at his charts and tries to understand where Moby could be. Ahab wants to be the big man on the boat when the whales are around. Also, he has his own men on the ship. Ahab has taken them on the ship secretly, and their goal is to help him find and kill Moby Dick. Queequeg gets sick. When he starts feeling really ill, he tells the carpenter to build him a coffin. Then he gets better. Ahab hopes to find Moby Dick near the equator. The captain of the Rachel, another ship, comes on board and says that Moby attacked a boat that the captain's son was on, and they have not found the boat yet. The captain asks Ahab to help them find the boat. Ahab does not help him, but instead tells the crew to get ready to get the whale. One night, Ahab sees Moby Dick. Moby breaks Ahab's boat in half. The men are okay, but Moby gets away. The next day, Ahab sees Moby again. They speed forward to try to catch the whale. Ahab throws his harpoon into Moby's side. Moby Dick hits the Pequod and sinks it. Ahab is caught in a harpoon line and falls from his harpoon boat to his death. The Pequod goes down and kills everyone except Ishmael. He stays alive thanks to Queequeg's coffin. He holds onto the coffin for a whole day until he is saved by another ship, the Rachel.
Get more stories in the Ewa app. Read, listen to the audiobooks of different genres, learn new words in one click, improve your English with Ewa. Check out appewa.com.
Please support our channel by liking this video. Together we can keep making free content for English learners around the world.